Good afternoon. Paint equipment sales. We have a 2014 Case 580N. Open cab, two-wheel drive, pilot control, which is awesome. It's only got 2,300 hours on it. This does come with a 96 horsepower turbocharged diesel Case motor. It's pretty much a Cummins. Everything works according to it. And this thing is absolutely beautiful. I mean, one owner, came out of Phoenix. You know exactly who had it, where it came from. And this is just some of the equipment that we sell here at Paint Equipment Sales. You can reach us at sales@paintequipmentsales.com. We got Jay, one of our employees, working on this bad boy, but here it is. 623-698-2784. Thank you.